Alright, here is the story. You set up your first Zapier automation, maybe it's sending emails, syncing forms, or tagging leads. Everything works fine for a while. But then you add a few more steps, maybe a conditional branch, a quick API call, or a small bit of custom logic. And that is when Zapier hits you with the classic upgrade to continue. You ignore it at first, but before long, your monthly bills start climbing. That is when you get those middle of the night emails saying your Zap failed. That is the moment you realize the no-code dream isn't really free. Every extra task, every integration, every click, it all costs you something. And that's exactly where n8n changed the game. Think of it as automation without the leash. It's open source, flexible, and built for people who actually want control. You still get the same clean drag and drop builder you are used to. But this time, there is no ceiling. You can build as many workflows as you want. You can add as much logic as you need. And if you are comfortable writing a bit of code, drop in JavaScript or Python right inside the flow. And it got even better when AI joined the team. With nodes for GPT-4 or Claude, your automations don't just follow rules, they make decisions. They can classify emails, summarize messages, route tasks smartly, almost like they get what's happening. And the freedom doesn't stop there. You can host n8n yourself, an AWS, in your VPC, or even in a tiny server you control. No hidden costs, no vendor lock-in, your workflows, your data, your rules. And the best part is, you can actually see everything, every run, every node, every log. You are not guessing what happened behind some black box. You are watching your automation in motion. And that is the difference. Zapier is great when you are starting out. But when you want real control, you want to automate without paying for every breath your workflow takes, that is when you move to n8n and start automating without limit.